Hey, Ocean Nomads family! I just wanted to tune in here and share with you how incredibly proud I am of you and the Ocean Nomads community. I was just sitting down to select a few members to feature in the full moon news flash, and it's impossible. So many of you are up to amazing things and projects. There's boats being built and renovated. Some of you are crossing oceans, seas, beautiful ideas. You are teaming up together, meeting up together, initiating things. It's really cool to see. I made a little summary of things that just came to mind, and people and members. And yeah, at the same time, we need to know a little bit about you and what you're up to make this network work, to make it work for you and for each other. So do not hesitate to share a little update, a struggle, anything. We are all super curious as well as supportive. Pinpoint yourself on the map or your project or a cool treasure that you found. Come and say hi in one of the meetups and yeah, share and care for each other. Thank you for being here and have a beautiful day. Make sure to go and play. Mwah.